Hi there, welcome to Sena Power Solution, where we bring you smart and safe electrical tips to power your home the right way. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about a common problem in our homes, which is electrical bulbs burning out faster than expected. Now, let's dive into the few main causes of this problem. The first one here is overvoltage. So when the power in your area or your vicinity is too strong for your electrical bulb to handle, the electrical bulb gets to burn out faster than you expected. That's just the explanation for that one. If when the voltage in your area is too much for the bulb to handle, it gets to burn out faster than you expect. The second one here is choosing fake or cheap electrical bulbs. If the bulb is not quality, so if you are going to purchase a bulb, make sure you purchase the quality one. If the bulb is not quality, the cheap ones will get to burn out easily. The third one here as the cause of this problem is poor wiring or loose connections. If the wiring is not done well, you get to experience these problems. If there is a loose connection of your lamp holder, or even with the floodlights, if there's poor connection, if the connection is not that tight, with time these connections get broken and causes your bulb to blow out easily or blow out faster than you expect. Last problem that I have here is poor neutral or grounding. If the neutral in the wiring is poor, or the grounding, which is the earthing system, is poor, it causes the bulb to burn out faster than expected. So these are the few problems. So the big question is, what should you do to prevent this problem, or what's the solution for this problem? The solution is, the first thing you have to do is get a good quality bulbs with sag protection. Good quality bulbs. Yes, when you are going to purchase a bulb, make sure that the bulb is having a label. The bulb is from a company with a brand like branded bulb. If you are purchasing a bulb that has no brand on it, that should be a red flag for you. And the second solution I have here is to get a qualified electrician to check your wiring and then the voltage in your area when you are experiencing these problems. If you are someone that already have this problem in your area or your house, get a qualified electrician to check your wiring, to check whether there is loose contact or the area is having neutral problem. And the last but not the least here is this one is not directly true. The problem a lightning system, but avoid overloading your circuits. Avoid overloading your circuits because these overloading causes a lot of electrical problems in your house. Aside from the fact that it contributes to burning of bulbs faster, it causes problems, a lot of electrical problems in your house than you know. So just avoid overloading your circuits. Thank you so much for watching. If you are in Ghana here and you are facing wiring problem or need any kind of electrical work, I'll be glad to help. So contact me through my website. The link is in the description. Contact Sena Power Solution, and I will be very glad to help solve the problem. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Thank you very much.